app is so legit. This app will pay you for watching videos. All you need is your Google account. You registered using your Google, and then you select videos. You are the one to select the videos you are about to watch, videos you want to be watching on this platform. You select videos, and please make sure you select videos that will not get you bored or you won't feel boring. Once you have selected those videos, 5 videos, once you are done selecting it, it takes you to your dashboard, and come on, you start watching videos. Disclaimer, disclaimer, disclaimer. I am not your financial advisor. Please do well to make your research before you venture into any app nor website. But trust me when I say I got you covered in this channel. Yes, guys, I got you covered because all research has been made. Actually, I will not bring any website to you or any apps to you without making my own research. And when I found out that it is fake, sorry guys, I am not going to bring it to you. So this is your legit channel, money making channel, where you can make cool amount of money. You venture into website and app with peace of mind because there is no fraud, there is no scamming in this channel. So let me walk you through, guys, on step-by-step guide on how to navigate this sweet app. Sorry, this app is not in Google Play Store. If you're in Nigeria, you're not going to see it on Google Play Store. But if you're not in Nigeria, fine. Probably you might see it on Google Play Store. Don't worry, I am going to walk you through on how to download it, on how to go about it. So families, this is the first step for you to take in order to download the app and navigate it. Okay, so like I said, the app is not on Google Play Store for Nigerians, but if you're from other country, fine, you might see it there. So the first thing that you're going to do is that you will type APK Pure. Okay, APK Pure, and then you search for APK Pure. So immediately you search for APK Pure, this first link you're seeing here is what you are going to click. Okay, you will click on the first link here, and then it will bring you to this interface. So as it brings you to this interface, then you're going to click this download you're seeing here. Okay, and then you click download. Okay, let's click it and see. Though I have the app already on my phone, but because of this video, let me click it. You can see it will bring you to this place. Okay, so as it's bringing you to this place, you click download for Android. This is it. You click this. Okay, you click this download. So this is the app that you will, through this app is just like a gateway for you to get the app that is going to make us sweet money. Okay, so immediately you have downloaded it. Now the next step to do is that you go back to this video that you're watching now. Go to the description of this video. You'll see the link there. What do? You copy the link. Now, as you copy the link, you will not paste it on your Google Chrome directly. If not, it will not work. What do? You have a notepad. Paste it on your notepad, or but I prefer you sending it to yourself on WhatsApp. Okay. Then let's go back. I've already sent it to myself on WhatsApp. So you click it. Let's go to WhatsApp. This is the link here. Then I will click the link straight, so it will take me to Google Chrome straight. But if you copy the link and paste it on Google Chrome, it will not work. You understand? So then I will click the link straight. Remember, we have downloaded our APK app and it's downloaded. Make sure you download and install it on your phone. Okay, after it has downloaded, you click install and install it on your phone. Then this is the second step you're going to do. Then you go to your WhatsApp. Since you've already pasted the link there, the next thing is for you to go to your WhatsApp and then click the link. Okay, it will take you straight to Google Chrome. Now, as it take you to Google Chrome, do you see this option? Palm Store, Google Play Store, and APK. Okay, I hope you can see it. Please click on APK. Okay, and then it will take you to Google Chrome. Okay, so please make sure you follow this step-by-step guide. Please, I'm taking my time to do this recording for you so you won't miss anything. Now look at the app here, Real Rush. Okay, so immediately you get to this site. Okay, immediately you get to this site, this is what you're going to click. Let me show you guys. So you see this place where it's saying mobile link. This place, this little arrow here. Okay, that is where you are going to click. You click it. So immediately you click it, it will take you to download. As you can see here, it's showing me open. It's showing open here because I already have the app on my phone. But for you, it will click install as it's showing install on other apps that I don't have on my phone now. Okay, then you are going to click it. It will start installing automatically. But for me, it's going to click open. Okay, so can you guys see now? So immediately, let's pause this because it's going to play a video for us now. So this is it. So let's pause it. So immediately it takes you to install, then you install. So after you install, you go to your apps on your phone and click Real Rush. So immediately you click Real Rush, it will take you to register or login. You being the first user, you're going to click register. Then they will ask you register with Chrome or with email. Register with, I don't know why I'm saying Chrome. Register with your Google or email. Then please you register with your Google, okay, for fast registration. So immediately you register, it's not going to bring you to this interface. It's going to show you categories of videos that you'll be watching. Please choose sweet, entertaining category that you can watch for hours and you will not get bored, okay? Then you select 5. Immediately you select, you click enter, okay? And then voila, it takes you to this place, okay? So I selected this kind of video, and that is why they're showing me this kind of video, because I love fitness, I love football, I love fitness, so I love cooking. So that is what they will be showing me, okay? Now you see this side, this is where your short videos is. You see where this arrow is pointing to, because all the videos here, they are not long form video, they are short videos, okay? Then this place where this arrow is pointing to, the second arrow, is where your wallet is, where your earnings is, and this third arrow pointing is where your dashboard, which is the user dashboard, is, okay? So now this place is the wallet where your money will be accumulating. As you watch videos, your money will be accumulating and you'll be seeing it, okay? So if you watch this video now, you're going to accumulate coins for yourself. Now in this, okay, let me not rush, let me take you through. Let's click the N button to see. Let's click the N button. So this N button now, as you can see, I already accumulated 12,000 plus coins for myself. And trust me, families, within 5 minutes, not even up to 5 minutes, now I'm asked to check in for today now, okay? This is my third day in this app, okay? So if I click N times 2, now they're going to show me advert, and then I N times 2 of my coins. But I don't want to do that now, okay? So within 5 minutes of navigating this app, I got 12,000 points. So it is easy for you to accumulate a whole lot of coins for yourself on this app, okay? Like I said, this app is so sweet. This app will make you cool amount of money. So you can earn $10. You understand? You can earn $10 a day. So, but the result varies depending on how you solve on this app, okay? Okay. So referral also, you earn 4,000 coins. You can see, guys, you earn 4,000 coins referring people. Like it's user friendly. This app is user friendly. Now look at your tax here also. You watch videos here and then you get paid, okay? Now this is new user bonus. This is new user bonus here. Let's click it and see. So I've not been able to accumulate much coins for myself on this app because I am, making research on sweet content to bring to you guys here. So I really don't have that time to do it. And another thing is that I have a whole lot of apps that I am running, testing, and all that. And I have apps I am using to make money for myself. Okay, but I want you guys to venture into this app if you have that time, because this app, like I said, it will not take you it won't take you for long, and you accumulate coins for yourself, okay? So this is the new user reward. I've been able to complete this one, so I've not been able to complete others. Trust me, I'm going to complete them so that I can make cool amount of money for myself here also, okay? So let's go back, guys. So like this app is user friendly. I really don't have much to talk to you about this place because it's user friendly. You can easily navigate it. Now let's go to the cocoa, because to withdraw is the point, okay? What is the essence of watching videos when you cannot withdraw? But trust me, guys, I got you covered. Now this is our sweet withdrawal button. Yes, so can you see, guys? Now let's click withdraw. Let's click withdraw. Now, can you see 12,000 coins? Like I said, I accumulated these 12,000 coins in no less than 5 minutes. So now this is the withdrawal threshold. 100k coins is the withdrawal threshold. Now in your mind now you feel like, oh no, this is too much, right? But calm down. This is not too much, because in 5 minutes, if I can accumulate 12,000 coins for myself, then if you spend like at least 5 hours, 6 hours here, you can accumulate 100,000 coins here. That is if you are not doing any other thing and you devote your time on this app to earn. Trust me, you're going to earn $10 per day. No jokes. $20 in 2 days is sure for you in this app, okay? So guys, that is it. And you see the withdrawal method here. The withdrawal method here is PayPal. To those of you that don't have a working PayPal account, trust me, like I said, I got you covered in this app, because I'll be releasing video on step-by-step guide on how to create a working PayPal for you. So to withdraw is never an issue, okay? So that is how it is. Let's go back to our dashboard. So
Every morning on an empty stomach, what happens to your body?
now let's watch these videos and see. As you can see, I have $1.26 here. Okay, then one thing, like videos. Okay, as you like videos, you are inside. Do you see just now 18 coins has been added to my coin? So it's another way of making much coins here. By you liking any video you find interesting, you can like it. Okay, then you can comment also. Comment is even in your user task. It's in your user task for you to comment on a video. So as you comment on a video, you get rewarded. Okay, and then this star icon here, this star icon here, this star icon here is where you are to add videos to your favorites. Okay, so when you click this user interface, you see it, my favorite, you see check-in. Make sure you check in daily, okay? And then feedback, in case you have any issues, you can contact your support, okay? Then feedback about the app. What do you feel about the app? You can actually put your feedback here, okay? So let's go back to our short video.
Body. First, your organs will undergo detoxification. Hot water helps stimulate the lymphatic system and helps flush toxins from the body. You'll burn more bad fats. Drinking hot water can temporarily increase metabolism and promote fat burning. Secondly, improve blood circulation. Hot water can dilate blood.
So can you guys see, in case they give you a particular video that you don't really like, you don't really love it, you can scroll and watch, okay? Let's scroll to the next video and see, guys.
Have you been drawing flowers like this? Instead, start with an oval. Draw a circle closer to the bottom of the oval. Fill it with little circles and squiggles, but just on the bottom part. Now erase the bottom on the right side. And draw...
This is really funny, guys.
Okay, that's good.
Very funny. So as you can see, guys, it's telling me to click on this wallet icon to claim my money, and then I'm gonna click it now. Can you see, guys? And then they will bring this one for you. They will ask you to double your coins. Like initially, actually, they gave me 31 coins for watching that video. Okay, but if you click on this extra, it's not going to be 31 coins. It's going to be 150 coins. So please, if you want to accumulate coins for yourself as soon as possible, make sure you do click this extra. But this extra will attract advertisements. Okay, so you click it and then you watch. Okay, but I don't want to click it now. Let's go back. So guys, can you just see, this is sweet video. This is, can you see, it was $1.25 before, but as you can see, it is $1.27. So it is very easy for you to make a good amount of money for yourself. Like I said, this video is so sweet. This app is so sweet, okay? So please, I will want you to like this video and subscribe, because more content will be coming. Like I have another app to watch video. I'll be releasing that video very soon in this channel. So that is why I said subscribe to this channel, because you wouldn't want to miss any of my videos, right? It is free of charge. Like this video, subscribe, and share it to those that needed to see this video and to make a good amount of money for themselves. So guys, let's go back. So now you have seen how you can accumulate cool amount of money for yourself. So what are you waiting for? Venture into this app right now and have cool amount of money all to yourself. Do you like this video? Please do well to like, because I'll be making part 2, part 3. In fact, I'll be making so many contents that will lead you to your financial breakthrough. Yes, you heard me right. This channel is free of charge. You don't need to pay anything to watch any video. All you need to do is to subscribe and like this video and subscribe to this channel, because by subscribing you are telling me that I should make videos like this, or videos that will give you money, or videos that you can use in making money online. And trust me, I am going to make different kind of videos for you. If you are a survey lover, I got you covered. In any way, working from home, you want companies to hire you, you love teaching online. In fact, I have a whole lot to share to you in this channel, and that is why please encourage your girl. Yes, do well to like, do well to subscribe, turn on your notification bell, so that when videos like this comes up, YouTube will notify you, because I believe you wouldn't want to miss any of my videos, right? Then subscribe. Thank you as you subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye.